Hi guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Friday, a happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, Kuyasha Mzinigapiki living in the jungle has been extended because of Mele has done something according to Big Brother, and Big Brother will address all the housemates in the evening and punishment will be served. So guys, I'm a housemate, they will get punishment because of Mele. Guys, I wonder what he has done. Maybe the direct section when he was telling Big Brother with Akamsabi, he's not scared of Big Brother, even Big Sister. I don't know what he did, guys. I'm so confused. So guys, there was a drama between Udidi, Liema and Thandeka. So Thandeka and Mele, they were passing when they had King Wanda commenting about housemate being punished because of one housemate. Thandeka replied and say even Didi had broken a rule, and I was like, Thandeka, come on, King Wanda was talking to Liema and Didi. This has nothing to do with you. So Didi say you have been wearing the same wig every day. It's going to be hot there. Didi was talking to Liema after Thandeka she has left their room. Guys, sometimes night we blame the girls for nothing. Now Thandeka sometimes she needs to keep quiet. It's not everything that you need to reply. This has nothing to do with you guys. People are complaining on Mele, guys. I do understand you guys are couple, but Mele has never stood for Thandeka, guys. Whenever the housemate they are shouting at Thandeka, he will just keep quiet and say nothing. So when you wanna be a hero, save Mele. No wonder why they say this relationship is a one-sided. Mele, he's doing everything to see Thandeka being disqualified. I wonder what he has done right now, guys. These people think, especially with Mele and Thandeka. I'm gonna be honest with you. I know if Thandeka they're gonna come from here, it's fine. Thandeka and Mele, guys, they act as if they know Big Brother, guys. They think they can do anything and get away with everything. Yes, about Didi, they do it, but when it comes to Thandeka, the way she talks, especially, guys, Thandeka, she doesn't know how to talk with the housemaid, guys. And even today, when they were busy cleaning, addressing the housemaid, sometimes you need to be kind to people. You need to know how to communicate. Yes, aboliyama bayahleba bayagossipa, they do all kind of stuff. Thandeka needs to know how to communicate. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.